Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to add password protection for a directory using cPanel. First, log into your cPanel account. Go to the Files section and click on the Directory Privacy. You will now see a full list of your website's directories. You can click on a directory to access its subdirectories, which can also be password protected. You will notice an Edit button on the right-hand side of a directory. There is a private column that will tell you if the directory already has a password or not. Click this Edit button for the directory you want to add password protection. Check the small checkbox to password protect this directory and it will unlock the text box below it. In this text box, you must enter a name for the directory. Click on the Save button when you are done. You will now see a success notification signaling that everything happened correctly. Click the Go Back link below it. The next part of the process is to create a new user that can access the directory. This cannot be the same as your information. You must enter a new username and password. Once you have filled in the necessary information, click the Save button. You will once again see the success message, indicating that your directory is now password protected. Now, if you want everyone can access the files in that directory, the following instructions are the steps for removing the password protection on a directory. In the Directory Privacy, select the directory that you want to remove password protection and click Edit. Uncheck the box that says Password Protect this directory. Then, click the Save button. Now, you will see the password protection was removed from the directory.